just started my FPV journey. Basically, what I've decided to do is just get a controller to start. I'm going to practice on a simulator, and from this point on, once I get good enough at the simulator, then I'll come back and decide what kind of drone I'd like Cine style, Cinewhoop, slow fly-throughs, just like what I was inspired by, which was the I believe it was the Giga Berlin, the Tesla video, the 3-minute drone video flying through the factory in Tesla's new factory, and I've decided to get into it. So we'll see how I go. I'll keep you updated as I go along, and yeah, wish me the best.
All right, so as you can see, I've got my controller all set up now, and yeah, I'm just having a little play around on this just to get started. I basically am completely terrible at this point, and yeah, have a look. Yeah, so I'm practicing away, but I'm definitely getting better, but still a bit rocky. I'm a couple of hours in now. I started at about 7:30, so I've been at this for about 2 hours now, and it's interesting because I'm really enjoying it, but I can't wait till it's actually the real thing. It's been 4 hours now. I'm still practicing, and I think I'm getting better, getting the hang of it, but nowhere near as good as I'll need to be to fly the real one. Still crashing all the time, but have a look. It's been 5 hours, but I think I'm starting to get the hang of this. Yeah, have a look. Alright, so I've been at this is my second day now, and I've had a lot of time to think about it. I've watched a few YouTube videos on flying, and I think I'm starting to get the real hang of it now. Yeah, so let me show you my progress. So I've currently put in about 15 hours so far into this program, and I kind of sat through the tutorials and actually found out some simple tips and tricks for going much slower and kind of doing what I aim to do with the I basically want to get this drone just so that I can do cinematic FPV, but through people's houses as a real estate, just to show off people's homes. And what I found is that I'm now currently at the level now in which I think I'd be ready to basically start looking into picking up the drone that I'm after. Anyway, I just want to show you my progress so far and what my skill level looks like at this point.